Alright guys, we're out here in Louisville, Tennessee, checking out some apartment complex. As you can see, looks like a lot of these nails here need to be caulked over. Looks like there was a repair done here. New pipe boot there. Does have some soft spots. You can see one here. Gutters are completely clogged up. They got a lot of trees pretty much all along the buildings here. Got a couple more nails, holes right there. Hit another soft spot right here. So this is all cracked up, needs to be redone there. More nail holes. Another soft spot. Nail holes there. Another soft spot. Looks like this whole area here is soft. That nail popping out right there. Got some of the siding here that's kind of busted up. Got another soft spot here. So you can see where the water's been coming down. There's another soft spot there.